How to see when you started following someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on your following and select the person you want to see when you started following. After you're in their profile, click on the three dots at the top right. Click on See Shared Activity. After you've clicked on See Shared Activity, here you'll find this kind of screen pop up, and you will find you followed this person in March 2025. And if they have followed you, you'll also find that they followed you back at the top. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to see when you started following someone on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.